As hail damage specialists, we've seen the worst of the worst when it comes to falling ice hitting cars, but nothing could have prepared us for when this car rolled in the workshop. Welcome to TriDENT PDR, and this time round we're going to take a look at what happens when huge chunks of ice become dislodged from a 1,000-foot structure and fall onto a vehicle below. With the level of damage and a very tight turnaround time, we've taken the opportunity to draft in a very good friend of ours and an extremely talented technician, Leon from Dragon's Dents. As you can see, the damage is extensive. The dents are all stretched and the metal has caused shockwave ripples throughout the panel, creating secondary lows that also need rectifying. For paintless dent removal to be effective, we need to access the underside of the panel so that we can begin to gently massage the dents out. To do this, we need to remove the headliner, which means removing all clips, sun visors and grab handles so that we can clearly access the underside of the panel with all of our tools. We begin the process with a series of gentle pushes in order to repair the bottom of the dents and build the strength back into the metal. Using our specialist LED lighting to see into the damage and heat to prevent cracking any paintwork, we're able to manipulate the metal without causing any further damage. As well as massaging the dents from the underside, we use dedicated heat induction methods along with lending. Both processes that leave the paintwork in factory condition. We can already see at this stage of the removal just how far we've come. All of the dents have effectively been removed, but what we're left with is multiple waves and shallows that still need to be rectified. With another round of gentle pushing, blending and heat induction, we can help strengthen the metal further and remove all waves and outstanding imperfections within the panel, all the way up to the point of our second quality control. We'll use dedicated line boards such as this to help spot any imperfections in the paintwork, from over pushes or under pushes. Once any imperfections are highlighted, we can readdress them and rectify any outstanding blemishes. So just how effective is paintless dent removal when it comes to severe damage? Let's take a look. The answer is highly effective. Paintless dent removal can restore your panel back to its factory condition without the use of sanding, fillers or paint. We'll take a look shortly at all the benefits that paintless dent removal can offer. Once we've been through our third quality control and we're happy that the panel is restored back to its factory condition, there's only one stage of the process left. Reinstall the headliner and all fixtures and fittings. Only when we're happy does the vehicle meet our extremely high standards of repair, both inside and out, will we contact the customer to arrange a full inspection and signed off handover. So what exactly are the benefits of using paintless dent removal over conventional repair methods? The conventional repair method for this car would have been to replace the wing and the roof panel, and at a top body shop this job was quoted at £4,500 and a 3-week turnaround. We removed this damage and handed the car back within 2 days and at half the cost of conventional repairs without panels being replaced or painted. This gives you the peace of mind that your vehicle has maintained not only its factory condition but also its resale value. Paintless dent removal is by far the best solution when it comes to severe weather damage. At TriDENT PDR and Dragon's Dents, our quality levels and dedication to solving your severe weather issues are second to none.